Hey everyone, my name is Artindi and this is devlog number 4.5. I didn't make a devlog last week because we felt we hadn't added enough content to the game for it to be worth it. But then I realized that not posting defeats the purpose of having a devlog in the first place, which is to motivate us through that consistent posting. So, between attending faraway funerals, starting new college courses, working full-time jobs, eating, sleeping, and using the toilet, these are the new things that we've added to the game. The idle position of the clones finally doesn't look stupid. You can pass through your clones now. Their hitboxes don't collide anymore, and it turns out this was easier to implement than we thought. It's a built-in part of the game engine. Duh. We added a smooth camera movement when switching consciousness between clones. This was actually harder to do than we expected because each of the clones has its own camera that is locked onto it. To ease the complexity, we added another camera that can move freely and has a tween attached to it to give us that nice smooth movement. The only thing we need to fix now is the camera snaps a little when it transitions close to the scene border. We also learned how to add UI elements, so we created a splash screen that appears when you start the game. The title Paradigm is just a working title and will probably change because the word is hard to spell and pronounce. It's Paradigm, not Paradigm. It's basically a fancy word for pattern. If you have any good suggestions for alternate titles, feel free to throw them out there. Likewise, this splash screen is just a placeholder because we needed something in place so that we could add the fifth thing that we added. So far we don't have anything that can actually kill you except the self-destruct, but now there is. If you clone too many times in a small location, the device you are wearing will overload and crash, killing you and all your clones. Or in other words, if you clone more than 5 times in a level, you die. Thus the splash screen. The clone overload death was also difficult to implement just because of the nature of our game, and it resulted in some very creative variable and function names. However, there are still some problems because when you die, we do return to the splash screen, but the game crashes. Gotta love debugging. Now, if you want to make us feel good about ourselves and help motivate us to keep working on this game, please make a motivating comment down below. Try to inspire us to keep going. In fact, whoever leaves the juiciest and perhaps most ridiculous motivational comment will have their comment shown at the beginning of the next devlog, because it'll be one of the things that motivated us to make next week's game content. Otherwise, thanks for just being there for us, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Hey, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed that and you want to see more, you know what to do. Otherwise, feel free to leave a comment, question, or suggestion down below, or you can even shoot me an email. Any feedback is much appreciated. Thank you so much.